Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a Mozambique e-tourist visa step by step. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards e-visa because they're very easy to apply and it boosts tourism too. So in front of you, I have opened this official e-visa website for Mozambique. The very first thing is visa waiver countries. So these are the nationalities who don't need a visa. Of course, there could be some additional conditions too. So we are gonna take a look at this. So visa waiver is not applicable for work, residence, study reasons. For other reasons, okay, some countries are here. Fine. Now, some countries like although they are they are not under visa waiver, but they cannot apply through e-visa and they have to apply through an embassy. So that also you can click here and see. If you are a national of these countries, you need to apply through an embassy and not through the e-visa platform. Now, what are the requirements to apply? For tourist visa, they have given what are the documents you need: passport size photograph, passport copy, proof of finance, proof of paid hotel reservation, return ticket. Okay, so for every kind of visa, they have given this. So once you are ready, you can click on apply for this visa and it's going to take you to the login page. Okay. So if you're coming for the very first time, you don't have an account, click here. And you need to select your username, password, email, account type, public entity or individual. So in our case, individual. Username contains a letter, number. Okay, so create your username, password, email, and captcha, and then submit. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay, guys. So what it does is when you complete that registration, you get an email with the link that you need to select, and then you can verify your account. Then you can come back to the site and log in, and this is where you reach first. So first is to select your nationality. So be very careful about this. Okay. Select your passport type. Wow. Passport type normal. Okay. I mean, upon your case, number of entries, we have multiple. Wow. Duration of stay 30, 60, 90. I select 60 days. Prior to e-visa, you must obtain all required documents: passport size photograph, passport copy, proof of finance, hotel reservation, return ticket. Okay. The value will be charged as per the given account and currency and equivalent. This one, Mozambique currency. Now, if I change the duration, 30 days. Oh, it made it half. Wow. Next. Okay. The very first thing is asking for the passport number. So be very careful when you put this information. Date of issue, purpose of travel, it's a tourism, date of arrival. Let's say you are coming here. Issuance location. So what you can do here, like when you enter Mozambique, you can select their airport so that when you go there, you can get directly over there. So Airporto Mawa Lene, yeah, this is like common one. But yeah, again, based on your case, you can select others too. Demographic data. Wow. Given name, excluding the surname. That's very clear. Date of birth. Do I have? I was thinking like why it does not have a date picker. Looks like it does. Only thing is you need to find. Travel document, issuing country. Be very careful with these details, guys. Don't submit without verification. And not just once. Verify everything at least 2 times. Country, home address, okay. And do everything as per your case. This is just sample I'm putting. City, pin code, street and house. Okay, now where are you gonna stay in Mozambique? Wow. Street and house number. I'm putting sample, but you don't. And if you have already booked your hotel reservation, definitely you know where your hotel is located, right? I don't have to tell you about that. Have you ever been denied a visa? I select no. Have you ever been deported? I select no. Have you ever been convicted in any country? I select no. Are there any criminal proceeding against you? I select no. Do you suffer from any contagious or mental disease? I select no. Additional information, country of birth, place of birth, occupation, let's say IT consultant, travel mode, let's say plane, flight number. Wow. If you have a representative, you can put this checkbox and put, but in our case, let's say nobody, so that's why. Now we need to upload photo and then those documents that you saw before we started the wizard, that needs to be put over here, and then it's going to summarize, and from there you're going to pay and submit. So of course I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.